How to tag someone on Instagram story without showing it. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now click on the option of your story. Your gallery will open up, or also you can shoot the picture or the video. Once you have selected it, now what you have to do is click on this text icon given at the top. Now click on the option of mention. Now type in the Instagram username of the person whom you want to tag. Now what you have to do is customize its size. Just make it very smaller. In this way, just use your fingers and make these text as smaller as you can. This way, as you have made it smaller, it won't be visible. Now I can place it anywhere. Now I can click on your story. The person will be tagged in the story, but people won't be able to find out whom you have tagged. So this way you are able to tag someone on Instagram story without showing it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.